Hi, I'm Lynne with Soft Squares. Today I'm going to open the stash box from RebsFabStash. This is for the month of February. This is a monthly subscription box that you subscribe to. It comes out really quick to the beginning of the month. It always has projects, extra fabric and notions, and they're really well done. So let's see what's in there. And I have to be honest, I already made this video, but I can't find it. So I don't think I actually had the recorder on or something. So the camera on. So some of this has been altered slightly from how I got it when I first opened the box. But the first thing that's in here is this card. And this tells us that our theme for the month is flirting with fabric. One of the things I really like about these guys is they tell you what specifically is in the box. There's a little picture of everything, and then here's a breakdown of all the fabric that they use. So if you like what you're working with, you can know what fabric you used to make more. So we have got that. So there's always an invoice in here and a recipe. This month it is bean dip by Lana Unger. Beans, they're good for your heart. And it looks like next month's theme is Secret Stash Garden. So they've given us a little clue into next month. They're also letting us know that they are open for business. So if you're ever in Moscow, go and see them. They're in Moscow, Idaho at 1500 South Levick Street. They're open Monday through Friday, 10 to 4. So you can also get a hold of them at info@RebsFabStash.com if you have questions. And then they also give us one of these, and it tells us about different events that they have coming up. And on, let's see, Wednesdays at 4 p.m. on YouTube, Christy is on their live. And they also say keep up to date, subscribe to our stash box, which is this. And then they have stash sales on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So they have a lot of stuff going on that's online. Okay, so now the projects in the box are so cute. This one is called Love Letter Block. Love Letter to Paris, excuse me. And it has the pattern and the fabric that you need to build it. Let me give you a closer look at what you're getting. The finished size of the block is 12 by 12. And then they've given us instructions with pictures, as well as the fabric needed to build it. And look how cute this fabric is. This is for the inside of the envelope. This is the background fabric. And then the blue is the envelope itself. But there is a pink heart on there. So that's what they send us. And they send us just enough to make the project. It's not pre-cut, but it is what you need to make it. So the nice thing is you don't have to go through your own stash and maybe cut a little square out of a big piece. Plus they just make it easy. It coordinates and it's pretty. So we have that one. Whoops. Okay, we also have heart wall hanging or a mini quilt. What they have done with this is they have this little block right here. And it's actually not so little, to be honest. Its dimensions are 27.5 by 27.5. So it's a good size block. It's just over 2 feet each size. And they have given us the instructions for how to make it with the fabric, which we'll look at in just a minute. But they have also included the pattern that this originally came from, which is called All the Love by Riley Blake Design, and it's one of the 4 quilt blocks that are there. So if you want to make the other 3, you've got the instructions for all 4 blocks right here. But what they are sending us this month in this kit is what we need to make this one. And let's look at that fabric. Again, they tell us what fabric they have sent us, so if we want to use it, we can. And I have to get my little cheat sheet out for this. And again, it's on here. So, first thing I'm going to tell you is I believe this is what they call the background fabric. It's what goes around the heart. And this is by Wilmington. It's called Memories. And that is this part. And the next pieces here are part of a collection. All I know is that they are Flowers and Vine by Maywood, but I don't know any more than that. Look how pretty this one is. Flowers and Vine by Monique Jacobs from Maywood. So this is actually 1/8 of a yard. And we have this one. And we have this one. So these are what make up the outside of the block, the actual blocks within the block. And then we have this. It's called Linen. And I think it actually might be linen, not just the name of the print. It is a woven, and I think that's what it is. This is Riley Blake Linen in Natural. And this is what they're using for the back and the border and the binding. So here's all that fabric. It's hard to see, but you get the gist. It's all here, and this as well as the two patterns, the full pattern and the one for just the block that they've sent the fabric for. And we have another project in here. This is called Scrappy Hearts Banner, and I will be making this in a tutorial, so watch for that. That video will be coming out the same time this video comes out, and I'm going to be making this video. So I've actually already cut this fabric up, so I don't have it to show you anymore. I don't even think I have scraps of it. Oh, I do. I have some scraps of it. These are the ones I didn't use. And then this cute pink one. So these are the fabrics that they sent out to be used with this. They also sent a really pretty ribbon. And watch for that video and I'll show you how to make it. You don't even need this pattern. All right, in our box we still have stuff. Now they always send a fat quarter that's unique, and it has nothing to do with any of the other projects, although a lot of times it follows the same theme. And this month they sent out this one. Look how pretty. And then they also include swag. So they always have something with their logo on it, and this month it is a letter opener, and I've already given it to my husband. So that's a nice one. All right, guys, I kind of went through it fast. I hope that you saw everything. Oh, I take it back. We have buttons. We have buttons, Lori Holt buttons. And the price tag is actually still on this. This is $13.45 as a retail for this bag of Lori Holt buttons. So that's our Notion. 3 projects. Notion, fat quarter, recipe, letter opener. I think I got it all. So if you want more information about this box, the link will be below. If you're interested in it, please use my link. It helps me out and it lets them know that you saw the information through me, and it helps them know where people are coming from. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Thank you and have a great day.